Alex Douglas joins us now from Monex Securities. It's been a while since Macau has been a gambling destination. I assume we have to wait for travel restrictions to lift first.
Yeah, but that may not be so far off. As you mentioned, they've started vaccinating people in Macau. And our chief analyst at Monex, Gordon Yan, has been having a look at things, and he thinks it may not be too long before they start lifting travel restrictions between Macau and mainland China and Hong Kong in particular. And this could really give a boost to some of the casino stocks, the casinos in Macau that are listed in Hong Kong. And we think there's potential for some of them to really do quite well in the coming months.
Any names in particular when it comes to those casino operators in Macau that are appealing over others?
A few of the names would be quite familiar to people. There's companies like Sands China, which of course the Sands in the US is a big one, MGM China, Wynn Macau. So there's three big familiar names. A couple that I quite like that might not be so well known would be Galaxy Entertainment and SJM Holdings. And these five stocks are all companies you can trade on the Hong Kong exchange. So pretty easy access, and an interesting idea for the months ahead.
And just turning to what your clients are trading on, Alex, what stocks are you keeping an eye on thanks to their volumes?
Well, we are already seeing some in those casino stocks. I guess on the most traded side, we're seeing a lot more activity in the US. As usual, you've got the usual suspects: Apple, Tesla, Facebook, Zoom, Amazon. But there have been a couple of really interesting ones in the last couple of weeks. One called Marathon Patent Group and another one called Riot Blockchain. And these two companies are both involved in the blockchain and crypto. And they've had huge surges in price in recent weeks, along with Bitcoin. So it's kind of taken this incredible growth in Bitcoin, which I think in December was the first time Bitcoin went above 20,000 US dollars. Just in the last few days, it's been pushing above 58,000. It's come back a little now, but it's had a dramatic rise. In the same period, though, these two stocks, Marathon and Riot, they've had even greater increases. They've really sort of amplified the move in Bitcoin. So, it might be an alternative for people that are looking at maybe investing in Bitcoin but don't want to go there. They'd rather stick with a stock. I have to point out, though, that both of these stocks are currently coming back off those highs, but maybe something interesting to keep an eye on in the future.
Alex, I'm intrigued. When it comes to that space, is it the actual cryptocurrencies that are causing the excitement, or is it more the underlying technology, the blockchain technology, that is getting more people excited about the future?
Look, I think it's a little of both. Definitely the blockchain technology is very interesting and exciting, but attention really does seem to have focused on Bitcoin as being the coin to have if you're going to invest in cryptocurrencies. You've seen companies like PayPal investing in it, Tesla, Elon Musk putting a lot of money into Bitcoin. So it's really sort of becoming a little more mainstream, and it's something that people really have to start to consider. And I think that has driven a lot of the demand. We've seen these incredible increases. And the true believers say that it still has a long way to go. So it could be a bumpy ride, but it's interesting. Bitcoin itself seems to be becoming more widely accepted. It still has a lot of problems in terms of the speed of transaction, and using it every day is not easy. But it certainly is gathering some traction.
Alex, just to go and finish off, look, in light of what your customers are currently trading, Apple, Tesla, Zoom and Facebook, surely there must be a view on what's going on with bond yields and the impact it's having on those tech names.
Yeah, look, they've had a good run. They seem to be, maybe they're going to pause for a little while here, but overall, our clients are still interested in them and they're still buying them. So we'll see. I mean, it's very hard to tell when you're looking at a retail book. We've still got people buying GME, so it's a little tricky, but there's still interest out there.
Alex Douglas from Monex Securities, thanks for joining us on the program today. I look forward to speaking again soon.
Thank you.